I got this new electric smoker at a estate sale. Now basically, I've got the lava rocks and the element. I've got this little pouch here with some wood chips. I'm going to lay down right here on top of it. And you got these hooks here. And I've got my water pan here. Try not to slosh it out. Put that water pan right there. And I got a grate here that if I want I can go ahead and put some stuff on that. Then I got another one here. I can open this up and actually put stuff in here if I wanted to. Now I've got it plugged up and it will take just a minute to start getting red, and it's going to heat up the wood chips and cause smoke, and then it also will steam this water, and we'll see what we can get from these hot dogs.
I'm his cameraman. Yeah, I mean camera woman. Yeah. They didn't explain.
They may have eaten some of it.
Tomatoes.
I see something red over here.
Tomatoes. Let's throw in. Daddy, another red thing right there. Those two are good.
This one.
Nope. He's gonna flip these hot dogs.
Well, I don't know that I needed to. They're not even starting to cook yet. They're not cooking yet.
It's cute. What does it say color? What does it say? It doesn't say color on it.
What does mine say?
That's good.
So what does it say?
It's caramel color.